Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things we're on day 24 of March Madness. All of the projects I have made so far this year that I have not had time to film. So, I've got two more masculines. They are both using the same stamp set, Biggest Wish. They just use this particular design is just really, really quick. I've got gingham embossing on the one on the right and bricks on the left. This paper just retired. It is awesome paper. It is the Dandy Designs Celebration paper that I am sure is going to be sold on the secondary market on Facebook in the various retired groups. I have an extra pack. I will probably get it listed up here sometime, but not right away. I will let everybody forget about it first before I list it for sale, because I'm sure there's lots of it out there. And I did some sponging on this white to have it show up on top of the gingham. And this side I didn't see the need. There was enough of the blue that I didn't feel that I needed to do any sponging. These were just quick and easy. And I see that I need to make sure that my dot holding this on is fixed. And then I used the matte dots in, this is actually not the matte dots. So on the left, I used solid faceted dots, the balmy blue, and on the right, I used the matte dots in the new in colors. So the dots are Parakeet Party, but the color of the green here is Granny Apple Green. Both of these Baker's Twines, of all things, came from the Dollar Tree. They have a wonderful selection, and the one in Washington State near my house did not have good craft supplies, but the ones here in Florida, great crafting supplies. And of course I love my Baker's Twine, and Stampin' Up doesn't have it right now, so you're going to see a lot of Baker's Twine from non-Stampin' Up sources. Let's see, I've done nothing on the inside of these, but I do have an extra little strip of glimmer. It's the kind of the Aurora Borealis on the green side strip behind the green mat. Both of the happy birthdays are popped up. And I think that's about it. I will have a full supplies list on my blog. You can leave any of your questions, comments, or concerns on my blog or here on this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tune in tomorrow for episode 25. And thanks for watching.